Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am opening a prize from Occult Box. It's very exciting, but before we get to that, remember to like or dislike this video. It doesn't really matter, all engagement is good. Comment down below if you want to discuss any of the things that come up in the video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So, Occult Box. I am following Occult Box on Instagram and they had a competition. And it was one of those competitions where you have to like the picture and you have to comment down below with the name of a few friends, which I did. You know, I do them quite a lot. I like to big up small businesses and get more people to come to their page. You know, all engagement is good, isn't it? And I flipping won. And I won the contents of this box, so I am super duper excited, and obviously I had to make a video of it. There is something in there that is extremely cool and I'm very excited about seeing that, so yay yay yay. But yes, if you didn't know what Occult Box is, so Occult Box normally do mystery subscription boxes that come once a month and you have no idea what's going to be in them. They are themed for each month. I know that Luna Lily and Bryony B both do videos on their channels very regularly for them. I know that Simply Spooky has done a couple of videos, Radically Dark has done one. You know, they're sort of dotted about around the internet, and here is my contribution. I'm not normally a subscription box kind of person. I like to choose things. I mean, obviously I know that I do get gifted quite a lot of stuff on this channel from all these lovely small businesses, but you know, I do tend to tell them the kind of things that I like, because there's no point them sending me stuff that I'm not going to like, because I won't wear it and that's not going to therefore give their company advertising. Whereas with these boxes they are completely blind, so it's never been something that has particularly interested me. However, I do love watching the unboxing videos because you never know what the person's going to get, and it's quite nice to go, ooh, they got so and so. So yes, I do quite like watching the videos online. You know, they are definitely my thing. So let me give you a little brief overview of how Occult Box works. So they do subscription boxes. They are £23.30 a month currently, plus shipping. Okay, so subscription boxes are pre-ordered and shipping towards the end of the month. Our subscriptions open for new subscribers for around 10 days only of each month. So go to the website between the 25th and the 7th of each month to be able to subscribe. They usually alternate themes between Gothic, spooky and witchy, and often boxes are seasonally themed. All of the boxes are vegan friendly and they contain new items, so you don't need to worry about receiving repeat items if you've been previously subscribed, purchased from them before, or wish to purchase additional boxes from their store. Each month will feature a print or an item from various featured independent artists, creators and small businesses. They will contain lots of items exclusive to Occult Box, including handmade items. Expect a unique unboxing experience. So these are some of the themes that I've had a quick look through. So September 2020 was an autumn day. October was obviously Halloween. November was Wicked Witched. January was Bats, and their current box for August is Nature Witch, which is pretty cool. So obviously this isn't a subscription box though. This is a bunch of the stuff that I think is available on their website to buy as just little items. You can also buy older subscription boxes if they haven't sold out yet. I'm assuming they make a certain number and once they're gone, they're gone. But you can obviously buy some of the items because they'll have them made, and I think some of the things in here are some of those items. So I'm very excited. I do know what's in there, but I very deliberately haven't reminded myself so that it is kind of a surprise. But I know there is one thing in there I'm really excited about. So let's open this box. Okay, we're in. Right, oh wow, crikey, there's all sorts in here. Right, we have a little card. I did tell them I was going to unbox it on YouTube just so that it wasn't a complete surprise to them. So, oh, that's beautiful. Look at that, it's a lovely little card with like a moon and the sun, and it says, "Congratulations, I hope you love your prize. Thank you for the support, lots and lots of love from Misha and Kyle at Occult Box." Well, thank you very much, and thank you for the awesome gift. I can't wait, I'm so excited. So what does it say? "Welcome, foolish mortals." I love it, I love it. Well, that is going in a frame in the new house. Oh, it's got a really cool picture of a spooky house on there as well. Oh, no, I don't know which sign to put on the frame. Oh. Decisions. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to hoover after this. So there's these gorgeous little paper bats in there. They're lovely. And then, oh, these beautiful flower petals. Look, these gorgeous purple flower petals. I'm going to try and collect those because the theme in my living room is purple. Purple and black, obviously. We're moving house very, very soon, and I have many decorating ideas. I am super excited about decorating the new house. We never really went to town on this current house because we knew we weren't going to be here forever. We knew that we were going to move on because it's not big enough for the four of us to stay here. They're sharing a bedroom at the moment and they're too big to be sharing a bedroom, so I cannot wait to decorate it. I've already got so many things because Lizzie the haunted bat, we both live like literally down the road from each other, and she started this wonderful free cycle group in the village, which is amazing, and we've already got a dresser and a full dining room set, like a full extendable table, 6 chairs. It's amazing. I can't wait. I'm going to upcycle them. That will be videos, obviously. If you want to see videos of me gothifying our new house, then I'm so excited to make them. So please say that you want them. Otherwise, it's tough. I'm making them anyway. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so we've got, it says Occult Box on this brown paper bag. I love it with the Occult Box washi tape as well. I love the fact a lot of it's paper as well. Save the planet and all that. Recycle, reuse. Ooh, ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, okay, cool. So we've got a crystal. People, you're going to have to tell me what they are. Oh, it's got like an iridescence to it, but it's clear. But, yeah. Is that a salt? Is that... Tell me, I mean, I only know from inorganic chemistry. I'm just going, oh, it's got a regular structure. But yes, tell me what it is. Tell me what it is. I want to know. I want to know. Ooh, Mystery House Occult Box. What is this? Is this a sticker? Yes, it's a sticker. So that's like a white sticker with a spooky house on it. I love it. I love it. Excellent. More to add to the sticker collection. Oh, and then we've got one of a bunch of the different star signs, I think. See, this is the thing. I'm a scientist, so I know the stars from a point of view of space expanding. Where is the Milky Way? What is the furthest that humans can travel in our lifespan? From a very Kurzgesagt point of view, because I love that channel, by the way. Go check out Kurzgesagt. I will put a link down there. They're absolutely epic sciencey videos that my children absolutely love. But you know, from a astrology or crystals, anything like that, utterly clueless. So please educate me down in the comments. Oh, look, spell book. It's really cute. Oh, I love a little book. I love a tiny little book. This is going to go in my handbag for shopping lists and other notes like that, because I'm not really one for writing spells, but I suppose you could say my shopping list is my spells because they help my mental health, all my lists. And that is magic. So, right, what have we got here? Oh, cool. Oh, yes, I remember now. Okay, so we have 2 weeping candles. They are, if I remember rightly, black candles that they are red on the inside, so when you burn them they have like a dripping blood appearance. Well, these will definitely go in some candlestick holders in our new house. Yes. Oh, cool. Oh, I'm so excited about them. Yes. Oh no, I'm going to have to buy some more candlesticks. How terrible for me to have to decorate the house with new candlesticks. So, now you see, this made me giggle, this. So, this is going to obviously live on my YouTube sofa. There will be a slightly different setup in the new house. I haven't quite decided whether there's going to be a sofa or just a chair. Either way, there will be some form of, it'll either be a chair and a table or it'll be another sofa. We're basically seeing what comes up on the free side. But, ta-da! Pentagram pillow. Now, what made me giggle about this is we actually have 4 of these in our spooky caravan. So I already knew they were really cool and I really loved them. So this will, of course, have to go here. There we go, more cushions. We love it, we love it. I do love a good pentacle. Bubble wrap for the house move. Now this, I am quite excited about because this can have pride of place in the new house. It is a cream palmistry hand ornament. Now, obviously, like I said, I'm not particularly into the witchy occult side of things. You know, I like it from an aesthetic point of view, but I know nothing of it. But this is super cool. Oh, it's got a little book. Look at this. Look, it says your fate is in your hand. That is going to look super cool. We've got a lot of black furniture in our living room, which will be going into the new living room. This is going to look epic on one of the black, you know, the IKEA Kalatz cube shelves. This is going to look awesome in there. That's really, really cool. And it has in there, I'm going to pop this down here, it has a little booklet telling you of the history of palm reading, the hand map mounts, what the different lines mean to make your mount visible, cup your hand a little. Oh, okay, cool, cool. And then it's got the different lines, the headline, that one. What would you say? Is it long, short or deep? I'd say it's fairly deep. Excellent memory. Yes. You're indecisive. No, but okay. The lifeline. Oh, the lifeline's that one there. What does it say about my lifeline? Is it long? I don't know. Is it deep? I don't know. Smooth life and good. I don't know. I don't know how you determine if it's long or short. Again, educate me. Educate me down in the comments, please. I'd love to find out. Because I know nothing of this. I tend to go, well, if you have epigenetic factors that cause you to have a long or a short life. You know? I'm a biomedical scientist. What do you want? That's what my training is. That's what I know. That's what I know. Right, now the last thing. Obviously, that palm is going to be super duper cool. I can't wait to display that in the new house. But this, I have a new dresser, as I just said. It's going to need a little bit of upcycling, but this is going to look amazing on it. So this is the Telling Fortunes in Tea Saucer and Cup Fortune Telling Ceramic Teacup. Hurrah! Hurrah! You know me, you know how much I flipping love tea. I'm super excited when I realised I'd won another posh teacup, because I do love a oh, it's beautiful. Oh wow, and it's pretty big as well. Yay for a proper sized cup of tea. A guide to tea reading. Now we do actually use loose leaf tea as well, so this should be quite interesting. So select your tea of choice. Tea, green, black or herbal for best results. Use loose tea leaves. Well, how are you going to do it with a bag? Put a pinch of tea leaves directly into the cup and pour on the hot water. Let your tea cool for a while while you quiet your mind. Think about the questions you would like to ask. Once your mind is focused, drink your tea. Drink the tea, leaving about a tablespoon of liquid remaining in the cup. Take the cup by the handle in your left hand, rim upwards, and move it in a circular motion rapidly 3 times from left to right. Next, also with your left hand, slowly and carefully turn the cup upside down over the saucer. Leave the cup upside down until all the liquid drains away. Position the handle due south. Crikey, this is quite complicated. This is the saucer, and then it's saying that there's different parts on the saucer where the leaves are left that mean different things, and this is fairly involved. Right, okay, I hadn't realised it was quite this involved. Okay, so it says here, depending on where the leaves are in the cup, if they're around the outside, they're the present. In between, it's the near future. And if they're right in the middle, it's the distant future. Symbols near the rim and the top third of the cup will usually occur within a few days. Oh, okay. So then we've got different symbols. So we've got all these different symbols around the cup. So we've got the sun, the moon, Mars. Oh my God, this is complicated. Okay, so let's have a look at the cup. Can you see? It's got all these different beautiful symbols on it. It's beautiful. I love it. And it's nice and big for a decent cuppa. And then here we've got lots of different constellations. And we've got stars and moons. It's beautiful. This is the thing that I was most excited about, just because it's a beautiful cup. It's a beautiful cup. But also, I mean, I was just so pleased, especially with us just moving house in less than a month. Less than a month. We've packed about, I don't know, about 10, 15 boxes, and I mean, honestly, it doesn't look like anything's happened. We've filled a skip from our garage. Filled a skip. Oh, it's giving me so much anxiety. That's adulting, isn't it? And once we're in, I'll be very pleased, and yeah, I'm super excited about decorating my YouTube room, because I get a YouTube room. It's It's going to be so much better. I'm not going to have to keep taking all this stuff down, turfing the children out when it's summer holidays because they want to be in the living room. It's going to be amazing having my own space to film all of these things, and I have admit hubby is going to put the lights up for me so that I don't need to take them down. He's going to make them so that they're like attached to the ceiling. It's going to be amazing. I'm so excited. I can't wait to take you along for the journey of decorating not only the YouTube room but the whole house. But all these beautiful things are going to look amazing in the new house, and obviously we have all the beautiful things that Kate gave me that you can't annoyingly see. We tried putting them all down here so you could see them, and it just looked really weird when you walked in the room, but in the new house it's going to be fantastic. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So that is the Fortune Teller's ceramic teacup. I love it. It's beautiful. I will of course insert some footage of me making a delicious cup of tea. Cheers. It's all beautiful. Thank you so much, Occult Box. So generous of you to give this to me. Thank you for running a competition. Thank you for sending me this amazing prize. I'm really chuffed with it. Go check them out on Instagram. Go follow their page. Go check out their website. I will put all links, of course, to website, Facebook, Instagram, all of that down in the description box. Please go check them out, show them some love and support, because you know what we like. We love a little small business. They are British based, you know. I think they use a lot of independent artists and stuff as well, so it's a great way to support our community. You know, I love to support small businesses and the community, so please go show them some love. Thank you, Occult Box. I'm super chuffed, thank you. So, did you enjoy this video? What was your favourite thing out of the items? And please, educate me down in the comments. I'd love to hear all about what the hell I'm supposed to do with these things, other than put them on a shelf and go, look at my pretty thing. Remember to like or dislike this video, comment down below, tell me all about it, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.